Hello everybody, how are you all doing today? So, by the title you all know that today we are going to do Shein haul. Girls are being very naughty and today is Isha's 16th birthday. Happy birthday to Isha.
Thank you.
She's wearing such a gorgeous
It's
dress.
from Shein.
Yeah, you can get up and show them. Like literally, it's so pretty.
Tara, do a spin.
Oh, wait.
Yeah.
It's back close as well.
So yeah, we got lots of things here. It just arrived now. So girls want to open and let's see what we got. It came very nicely packed. It's been a while we are doing Shein haul. Ah, look at it. And literally, I've got no idea what I got here. Oh my gosh.
Oh, that's a lot.
This is more.
I think there is altogether 53 items. Yes, 55. 55. Okay, so 55 items, that's why. So we are going to see what we got, okay? Okay guys, it's all messy now and we are going to slowly open and see what it is. Like what
Okay.
came.
Okay, bitches.
So we're gonna start from
Whatever.
whatever comes, okay? Okay, so we are bringing it closer and the first thing I can see is this phone case. I think there are a couple more. You can open this one, please.
I have no phone cases in this one. It's only mums and
Isha's.
Oh, this is just a clear one, I think.
Yeah.
How did you open? Oh, okay, I did it. Okay, this one is Isha's iPhone 12.
12 Pro.
Yeah.
It's so small.
This one isn't
Alright.
coming
Got
out.
a clear one.
It's a bit bended, but like when she will put it on, I think it will be
How
good.
cute this is, Mom. This is yours.
This is just a clear one.
Oh, it doesn't fit in the hand.
There you go.
Can you put this thing on?
Bent! How dare they do this to me? Okay.
Wow.
Oh.
I just love this one. This is for my Samsung phone.
Oh, come on here.
Wow.
And we got some combs here. I
Oh, yeah,
think I will open all and show you all. This video won't be edited that much.
Yeah, it's mine.
Issues.
Oh, issues can be top.
Thank you, woman.
Oh, some
Oh wow.
coloring.
Eliza, it will fit you too, no?
No, this is
Medium.
medium.
It's not bothering it. It's fine.
It's beautiful pants. I just
No, see?
love it. Like
Oh,
it's
it's not
a
important.
flare a leg.
It's fine.
It's not
It's
in.
beautiful. And like the waist is nice too. It's very stretchy.
Petite M.
This is my list.
I think this
Okay.
is this mum's?
No, it's mine.
Oh, this is Isha's drawstring parachute pants.
What's so big?
Oh, I've got another phone case.
Yellow color, Eliza. That's nice. Wow.
It's so ginormous.
Yeah, I can have it.
No.
No, it's plastic here. You can tie it. It's a cargo pants.
Oh,
Literally,
there.
it's beautiful.
Oh, yeah.
Look at the legs here.
What?
Literally, I'm like posting lots of pictures. You all can see the pictures like on Instagram. Like I always tag the companies, so you can see us wearing all this.
No, it's not.
I think I don't know what this is.
This is just
This is some powder puff.
powder puff. Yeah. Literally, we love Shein's powder puff. Like they are really very good. And last time, like I got some small ones, and oh my gosh, look at it.
Oh, look how cute this is.
Oh, this is Isha's.
We got a
Yeah.
bunch of it, like lots of it.
This is Isha's top.
And this one's also mine. Look how cute it
Print
is.
is around the corner, so yeah.
This one's very cute. Look at that, guys.
Oh, there's.
Oh, my other print case. How many printers is it again?
Okay, this is my white top.
Hello?
I need to know how to work this out real quick.
Oh, this one had the thingy. This is a phone case, guys.
It's like this, but it's got a hole like towards the front. So,
Yeah,
yeah.
that's gorgeous.
And it also came with the lanyard as well.
Wow, look at this. Came with this.
Well, I don't know who this is.
Oh, that's Mum's.
Oh, it's a
Got
top.
another black one like this. Came with this thing.
This
Okay.
is Mum's one shoulder top.
This is my flared pants.
Oh,
Very big, very long.
Yeah, that's one. Small.
And then we got this.
this is beautiful.
They're
Is it?
the two different
I
types.
like it, the white one. This part.
You're not touching my white one, bitch.
Hey,
Shut up, bitch.
Stop swearing at me. I'm gonna tell in the comments.
Oh my god! You can just pull this.
I know.
Love it. It's gorgeous.
these are my pets.
It's just gorgeous.
Titties.
Beautiful. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Okay. We're done.
It looks so good with that brown top.
Yeah, the top now?
Yeah.
You should try after, na?
Also, we got this.
Don't
black-
put inside, just put it like that. Just put the plastic down.
Also-
Okay, whose was this?
Mine.
Wow, this
Mine.
is gorgeous. Whose face is this? Mine.
Which-
Okay, my face.
Okay. Next up, we got this skull top that grabs my boobs.
This is my one. The one that Isha had. That's
Oh.
my one.
What?
Same one, yeah.
Same one, but different
same.
size.
Okay, let's move on. Okay, I got some nails here. Let me talk, okay?
Okay. Yeah. Oh, the lashes.
Got some of this lash extension thingy. And got some nails. This is the first one. So pretty. Doing it quick. This one. And this one.
Oh, look at me.
This one.
Come get in my
This is
car.
clear.
Wait, ready?
Oh!
And
Papa's
wow!
Oh, Papa's here.
And got one in here. I'm not opening this.
Why you turn up your location?
And
Yeah,
one
Papa, wait till the
here.
location.
Naughty,
And
Oh, what's
this
that?
one.
Hey,
What's that?
shush, shush. She's filming. She's filming.
What's that? What's that?
It's cake, isn't it?
It's a
Yeah.
cat.
Okay, we got another one of my phone case.
Papa, don't make any sound, okay? Good. Jelly. Next we got this 6-pack of hair clips to put it back while we're doing skincare
Medium.
or makeup, you know?
Okay.
What is this medium?
Shut your mouth for a little while.
Oh.
Wow, look at this phone case. Oh my
That's
gosh,
Mom's, I
it's
think.
beautiful. Look at this one.
Oh, if that gets scratched, that'll look so bad.
This is Mum's top. It's backless.
Can I have that? I like that. I'll show off this fatness right here.
Okay.
It looks so good.
Yeah, it looks so good. Did you just tie it around?
Got
my
it in a
neck?
different bag.
What is that?
You got the biggest one, didn't you?
Oh my god.
It's a plate. It literally could be a.
I don't know what way it's supposed to be.
It's a fairy.
It's a fairy, guys.
छोड़ो इसे नीचे. What does this called? Wall art?
Yeah.
What? Oh my, there's one more nail.
Okay. Got one more nail. Do you like my this one? This is by Betty Cola. It's beautiful.
Oh look, Mum, it's your pants.
Same one.
Yeah.
Yeah, same as the white
Oh,
one.
sorry.
It's good. Yes. Eliza, look.
Wow.
Looks so small.
Yeah, why does my one look bigger? Probably because you got a small size.
What is that?
I don't know.
It's the same shop.
I don't know about that one either. Is this a dress?
What is it?
Oh, this is a...
Oh,
no,
it's
it's
a
a two-piece.
that I want it. It's size large though.
Oh yeah. Okay, this is a top. Somehow you
Why does it
gonna
look
wear
so
this.
cool?
Top is so cute, guys. It comes with this, guys.
This is a two-piece, like literally.
Oh, this is my one.
This is my pants.
Beautiful. Wow,
is
can't
pretty.
wait to try. Literally, you all can see our upcoming videos.
I got a hairbrush, but I didn't know it's gonna be this small. But
I got a big one there. That's so cute.
oh, just pulled my head.
There's another thing.
Oh yeah, Mum accidentally got two of that one.
Yeah,
What's
Mum,
it?
you got two of the same.
Oh, these are the small. These are small hair ties, but I'm not gonna open them because yeah.
Oh, the tiny ones.
Yeah.
Oh, very tiny ones. Like.
This is Mum's
think I
phone
should
case
show
because they keep smiling.
Oh my God, these are like this. You can see it.
Oh, that's a little storage thing.
Yeah, that's for Mum's makeup.
Oh, for storage thingy, I forgot about it.
Oh, we also got an eyelash curler.
Did you understand?
Oh, that's the same one.
Yeah, Mum accidentally got two of that.
I love that. What we call rhinestone.
There's rhinestones on them.
Yeah.
Oh,
Cute.
This is it.
Okay, got this
Oh, that's
phone
mine.
case. Like by mistake I added two of this, so I'll keep one to Papa.
Is this mine too?
Next thing is this top that I got.
Yeah,
I don't
this
know
is
if it's in the wrong way or not, but
Yeah, this will go
This is
so
mine.
well with my dead pants.
no, go away. This is mine. Go away.
This is my
Okay.
little white cami top.
Oh, looks
Yeah,
cute.
that's nice. So random top.
Shush.
Oh, it's small.
Size X small. This would be mine.
Oh, this is yours, Mum.
Keep smiling.
Mum, do that with mine.
Oh my God, that's beautiful.
Isha, everybody again.
Thank you.
Isha.
Mum, this is yours.
Jeez.
We got a heart top. I like this.
Papa, you like this one?
Yeah, you
I
think
can
my...
wear it now. Straight away for a display. This is only. Don't try that one.
Size medium.
What is it?
That.
One
Oh,
shoulder
Mum.
top.
Oh,
Mum,
that's the
that's
same
yours.
one.
It looks like a bag or something.
Mum, where'd you put my phone?
Oh, there.
Oh, okay.
This is size medium.
Oh, that's mine.
Each is the same one but in white.
Oh, it's my baby top.
But it's skeleton.
Okay, guys, this is the next shirt.
It's not even. It's not real. It's like skeleton or something. Like a booth.
Yeah. The next thing we got is this white skeleton thing.
You can give it to me. How much was this, Isha? $5?
It was like $2 something.
$2 something.
This is
Okay.
49.
This is 49.
Just for a clear case.
Yeah. We got it
It's
from
probably
here.
to do with the quality.
Always
That's
buy
like-
online from Shein is best, I think.
That is good.
Yeah.
That's.
Sometimes I like it.
Oh, no.
What?
Hi, Jill.
I got one, like, I added two in my cart. I got one for myself, you know. Same one. So by mistake, I added two, you know. So I gave one to
Jump
you.
in the box.
It's gorgeous. It's a bit loose, but here. But you have to tie a belt. This is like the smallest size, X small. But literally, it's still bit big for Eliza. It's beautiful. I like it. Isha, you like that one?
Yes. Now.
Okay, Eliza is trying all her pens. This is really
Maybe the
beautiful.
tops.
I think I like this one. That one is good too, but like this one, black goes well with all the tops, I think. Now it doesn't look that good with this top, no?
Yeah.
That pants looks really good with this top. And this looks really, really nice. This is like you can wear for every day, no?
Yeah. Mom, look at Jelly.
I like it. Turn around, I'll see at the back how it looks. How it looks at the back, yeah. Oh my gosh, what you doing?
It's not like my one, but it's just thin here.
Yeah, this is like my type one, I think, the black one. I think, is it similar to this one, Isha? Pick
Yeah.
this up.
It's like that. Oh, I like this one.
Back. With a tight top, Magoro. No, and don't disturb Jelly. Look how cutely she's sitting. No, no, no. How gorgeous this top looks. It's beautiful with these pants. Literally, I like it. Like, oh my gosh, it's just so pretty.
Sure.
Okay, this top looks like this. It has a cut here. So I think you have to wear some different bra. And looks really, really nice. Back. Oh, okay, this one looks like this. Gorgeous. Like it. This one goes well with this top too, no? Turn around. Oh. Yeah, it's beautiful.
Yay.
Love it. Gorgeous. Hey, Liza, it's beautiful, okay?